everyone. First of all, I wish you all a very happy new year and a warm welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Finally, I've got a new decoration video for you. So without further ado, keep on watching. To start with the backdrop, I will make a balloon garland, and to make it, I'm inflating white colored balloons. For the garland, one packet of white balloons has been used, which is around 50 balloons. 15 grey and 15 black metallic balloons have also been used. I'm also making some balloon duplexes of all the colors of balloons to make some balloon flowers. This time, I have used an arch strip to make this garland. Basically, it is easy to make a garland from an arch strip. All you have to do is take a balloon and pass the bottom end through the strip hole, and continue doing that until the strip finishes. After that, I started to inflate all the foil balloons like the champagne bottle, the glass and the number 2023. Once all the balloons were inflated, I went to set up the backdrop stand. Also, this decoration can be done on the wall too, but because we were celebrating the party on the terrace and we couldn't get a good wall corner, we used a backdrop stand. Once the setup was done, I attached a backdrop of white curtains with the clips and then started to decorate. First, I attached the champagne bottle foil balloon using a thread and the head pins. Then attached the white balloon garland. We tied the garland together with thick thread to give it support and stability. On the left side of the backdrop, I am attaching the number foil balloons. Then we attach the square foil curtain. On the corners, I wanted to use gold number balloons for a contrast look, but it was a last minute plan, so we couldn't get those from the market. After that, I attached these paper fans that I made myself, of which I will be posting a video soon. We attached a Happy New Year banner. This was a 2-year-old banner. Eventually, these were 2 banners, of which I used Happy from the first and the New Year from the second. Then I stick this grey and black color small balloons using a glue gun. And then we decorated the entire terrace using balloon flowers and the pom-poms. With help, it took us 4 hours to finish the whole decoration. So let's have the final look. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like this, and if you do, please make sure to like and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care and bye bye.